Hello, how to solve this? This is square root of x plus square root of 2 equals 2. We are solving for all values of x that satisfy this equation. Now, I can decide to take the squares of both parts of this equation. So, we need to expand this. If you have a plus b raised to the power of 2, this equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. Now, in this case, the square root of x is my a, and the square root of 2 is my b. So I will have square root of x raised to the power of 2 plus square root of 2, that is b raised to the power of 2, plus 2 times square root of x times square root of 2 equals 2 power 2. So from here, I will simply have this cancel out, this cancel out. So you have x plus 2 plus 2 times square root of x times square root of 2. This is square root of 2x. And this equals 4. So I can move 2 over here. And also I move this x over here. That means I will be left with 2 times root 2x equals 4 minus 2 minus x. And from here, I'll have 2 times root 2x equals 4 minus 2, that is 2 minus x. Divide this by 2. I divide this by 2. This cancels this. I have square root of 2x equals 2 minus x divided by 2. So from here, I can take these squares of both parts of this equation. This cancels this. Of 2x equals this is 2 minus x divided by 2 times 2 minus x divided by 2. So from here, of 2x equals 2 times 2, that is 4. 2 times minus x minus 2x minus x times 2 minus 2x minus x times minus x plus x squared divided by 2 times 2, that is 4. So I can decide to cross multiply. This is over 1. Cross multiply, 4 multiplies 2x. That's 8x equals 4 minus 2x minus 2x, that is minus 4x plus x squared. So from here, I have 8x equals, let's rearrange this. This is x squared minus 4x plus 4. I move this over here. I have 0 equals x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 8x. So from here, I have 0 equals x squared minus 4x minus 8x is minus 12x plus 4. So this equation simply means, if you want to rearrange it, x squared minus 12x plus 4 equals 0. So to solve this quadratic equation, you can apply the formula method. So we write the formula x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2b. Now, from here, a is 1, which is the equation of x squared. B is negative 12, and c is 4, which is the constant here. The constant here, right? So we substitute everything right here. At x equals negative times negative 12 plus or minus square root of. So we have b squared, that's negative 12 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times 4 divided by 2 times 1. So from here, we have x equal to 12 plus or minus square root of. This is 144 minus 16 divided by, this is 2. So from here, we have x equals 12 up plus or minus the square root of, this is 128 divided by 2. This equals 12 plus or minus. We can express this as 128 is simply 64 times 2 divided by 2. So from here we have x equals 12 plus or minus square root of 64 times square root of 2 divided by 2. So this will give us 12 plus or minus square root of 64 is 8 times root 2 divided by 2. This is 6. This is 4. So we have 6 plus 4 root 2. S plus or minus 4 root 2. So we have two values for x. We have x1 equals 6 plus 4 root 2. And x2 equals 6 minus 4 root 2. Now that we have gotten two values for x, we can go ahead and check if these two values will satisfy the equation, or is it going to be only one value of x that will satisfy the equation. So we have verified x equals 6 plus 4 root 2. And also we have x equals 6 minus 4 root 2. Now this is the question, square root of x plus square root of 2 equals 2. So let's consider 6 plus 4 root 2. So you have square root of 6 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2 equals 2. So from here, we have root 2 is about 1.4 or so. So if you multiply by 4, this will give you a number greater than 5. So this plus that will give you a number above 11. So you are having square root of a number greater than 11 plus square root of 2 is about 1.4. And this equals 2. So square root of a number greater than 11 will give you a number greater than 3 plus this is a number greater than 1 equals 2. This cannot be true because a number greater than 3 plus a number greater than 1 can never give you a number equals to 2. So what we are going to do will be to consider when x equals square root of or 6 minus 4 root 2. So this means that this particular answer here is incorrect. This one is wrong because it does not satisfy the equation. So let's consider 6 minus 4 root 2. The equation remains square root of x plus square root of 2 equals 2. Square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 plus square root of 2 equals 2. This is about 1.4. This is about number greater than 5. So this will give you a 1 point something. So square root of that 1 point something, this is about 0 point something. So this can give you about 0.6 because this number here is about 5 point something. And if you subtract 6 from it, or you subtract this number from 6, you have 1 point something. And if you take the square root of that, it's going to give you 0 point something. So adding to this, if this is less than 1, I can easily replace this with less than 1 plus 1.4. That will obviously give you a number approximately 2. So this shows that this particular solution here is our correct answer. So guys, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.